In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of quotes on MetaTrader 5. If you've ever opened MetaTrader 5 and felt overwhelmed by a long list of symbols and quotes you don't actually trade, this tutorial is for you. Cleaning up your Market Watch window not only makes the platform look less cluttered, but it also helps you focus on the instruments that really matter to you. In just a few simple actions, you can hide unwanted symbols and streamline your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into MetaTrader 5 and that the platform is fully loaded. We'll be working with the Market Watch panel, which is where all the trading symbols and their live quotes are displayed. If you don't see this panel yet, look around the main interface for a section labeled Market Watch. Depending on your layout, it might appear on the left or right side of your screen. If it's closed, you can usually open it from the View menu at the top of the platform by selecting Market Watch, or by using the appropriate shortcut your version of MetaTrader supports. Once the Market Watch window is visible, you'll see a list of symbols, such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other instruments, each showing bid and ask prices. These are the quotes we want to manage. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the symbols you no longer want to see. These might be instruments you never trade, or assets that are simply not relevant to your current strategy. Next, move your mouse over the specific symbol you want to remove from the list. Right-click directly on that symbol. A context menu will appear, giving you several options related to that instrument. From this menu, look for the option labeled Hide. This option tells MetaTrader 5 that you no longer want that symbol displayed in your Market Watch. Click on Hide. As soon as you do, the selected symbol should disappear from the list. You've now successfully removed its quotes from your immediate view. Repeat this process for any other symbols you'd like to remove. Right-click the symbol, then click Hide. If you ever remove something by mistake, don't worry, you can always re-add symbols later from the same Market Watch window by searching for them or showing all symbols again through the menu. And that's it. By going to Market Watch, right-clicking on the symbol, and selecting Hide, you can quickly